I am 100% satisfied with the classes and what I have learned.
Multitech Institute of Advanced Technology-তে আমি ডেস্কটপ এবং ল্যাপটপের উপরে আমি একটি কোর্স করেছি।
Thank God I found a good and very best place in Delhi for CCTV camera.
Multitech Institute in Delhi is top and with 5-star rated. I attended in this class and I'm satisfied with this training.
I feel that this institute is very useful. So teachers and instructors are very cooperative.
Multitech Institute is very good. It's very good institute. Come to learn here. No other place. No other place.
Hi, this is Shalini. I took classes from Multitech Institute in New Delhi, and I am 100% satisfied with the classes and what I have learned. Not only was it theory, but I got chance to practically work on the laptop, to fix the laptop. The staff was very cooperative. They accommodated me with my schedule, and I'm very thankful for that. And most of all, the teacher, I'm very grateful to him. He understood my limitations and he tried to help me wherever I could. I had no background in computers, but he made it so simple that I could understand everything that he explained. I feel 100% confident today that I can fix a laptop if it breaks down. And thanks to Multitech.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. আমি মাল্টিটেক ইনস্টিটিউট অফ অ্যাডভান্স টেকনোলজিতে আমি ডেস্কটপ এবং ল্যাপটপের উপরে আমি একটি কোর্স করেছি, পাশাপাশি প্রিন্টারেরও একটি কোর্স করেছি। খুব ভালো মোটামুটি। তো বাংলাদেশের সকলের জন্য আমার একটাই বলার থাকবে যে বাংলাদেশে তো অনেক ইনস্টিটিউট আছে, ওখানে আসলে ঠিকমতো শেখা যায় না প্রপারলি। তো আপনাদের ইচ্ছা থাকলে আপনারা এখানে আসতে পারেন। এখানে আমি 3 মাস থেকেছি, হোস্টেল আছে, হোস্টেলের খাওয়া দাওয়া সবকিছুর খুব সুন্দর সুবিধা আছে, আপনারা চাইলে এখানে আসতে পারেন। আর আমিও ইনশাল্লাহ আমি এখানে এসে আমি অনেক ভালো শিখতে পারছি।
My name is 𝗂𝘂𝗶𝗁𝗵 and today I'm so excited to tell you guys to really enjoy this Multitech Institute. Yes, Institute of Advanced Technology. So I have been in Delhi for many years. So I was looking for one good place to do CCTV camera, and thank God I found a good and very best place in Delhi for CCTV camera.
My name is 𝗂𝘂𝗶𝗁𝗵. I came from Afghanistan to attend this CCTV advanced CCTV class in this institute. I searched in the internet web page, but this Multitech Institute is in Delhi is top and with 5-star rated. I attended in this class and I'm satisfied with this training. The class was great. I'm thankful from the teachers of this institute.
My name is 𝗂𝘂𝗹𝘁𝗶𝗂𝗰 and I'm from Bhutan. So I'm presently doing computer, desktop, laptop, and LED chip level repairing out here. So originally I came from Bhutan 1 month before. So I'm presently doing both the courses, LED, LCD, and a laptop. So as for my assumption and my thinking. So this I feel that this institute is very useful. So teachers and instructors are very cooperative. So we are learning chip levels. So not in basic, we are learning in chip levels.
I'm named George Ondewela. I'm come from Central Africa. My country is named Equatorial Guinea. Multitech Institute is very good. It's very good institute, but my teacher Vivek is very professional. You give me all. You take time for explain me, for show me something about all for CCTV camera. I like this teacher is very good.
As you said, I'm from Israel. I have a lot of experience in electronics repairs, laptops, and some other things. I came here to upgrade my knowledge, and I find it very good, very good. I'm very happy that I came.
So what would you like to message to my friends about the institute, about my trainer, about the staff and all the things?
Come to learn here. No other place. No other place.